Caribbean geography, the entire region. Let's see what we remember. Firstly, we have Bermuda all the way up here, although relatively far from the Caribbean. It was a part of the British West Indies historically, so we're gonna count it. Bermuda's up here. Next, we have the Lucayan Archipelago right below the state of Florida in the USA, made up of the Bahamas and the Turks and Caicos Islands. Directly below them is the Greater Antilles, made up of Cuba, the Cayman Islands, which is right in here, Jamaica, the 2-for-1 Special Hispaniola, Haiti and the Dominican Republic, and Puerto Rico. Now here's where it gets fun. The Lesser Antilles made up of 3 parts. Starting with the Leeward Islands at the very tip top of the chain, with the British Virgin Islands and the US Virgin Islands right next to Puerto Rico. Next we have Anguilla, and then Saint Martin, broken up a 2-point special, the Dutch and the French side. Then we have Saint Bartholomew, Saba, Saint Kitts and Nevis, Antigua and Barbuda, well, Barbuda and Antigua, Saint Eustatius, Montserrat, Guadeloupe, and then Dominica. Directly below the Leeward Islands, we have the Windward Islands, starting with Dominica. Hear me out. Dominica was historically Leeward and Windward, so Dominicans self-identify. But Dominica, Martinique, St. Lucia, St. Vincent and the Grenadines, Grenada, Barbados, and Trinidad and Tobago. And right above Venezuela, we have Group 3 of the Lesser Antilles, known as the Leeward Antilles, made up of the Venezuelan state of Nueva Esparta, right here, these islands, the federal dependencies of Venezuela, these islands right here, along with Aruba, Curacao, and Bonaire. And right next to Venezuela, right above Brazil, we have the Guyanas, 3 of the 4 mainland Caribbean states, Guyana, Suriname, and French Guyana. These 3 being members of the British, Dutch, and French West Indies, respectively, once upon a time. And over here off the coast of Nicaragua, we have Corn Island alongside San Andreas and Providencia of Colombia. And last but not least, right below Mexico, we have Belize, the last mainland Caribbean state, once a part of the British West Indies. And we have the Bay Islands of Honduras. That's them to scale right there. And before we get out of here, we're going to big up the Caribbean communities alongside Central and South American coastlines, places like Limon in Costa Rica, the Canal Zone in Panama, Cartagena in Colombia, and so on and so forth. Big up to the coastline Caribbean communities. Now we are done. Caribbean geography. Let me know where you're from. Okay, bye!